Hey, welcome everybody to this edition of Big Drone Flyer 77. Donnie here, and today I got a brand new product from Eachine, which you can find Eachine products at banggood.com. So I'll leave a link where you can buy one of these. This is brand new on the market. The only video I've seen is actually True Drone Reviews Brian, because that's who sent this to me. So thank you, Brian, so much for sending this out to me. It's a really cool quadcopter. I really enjoy it. It's a little mini, micro, whatever you want to call it, but it's a micro quadcopter. We'll open it up and see what's inside. They also make a Wi-Fi version, so it has Wi-Fi FPV, but this one is the E012HC. They have a HW for Wi-Fi FPV, so they have that option you can choose from, but I just wanted to show you what came inside. Here's the little quad. Look how small it is. It's actually pretty fun. You'll see in the flight video, I had a blast with this thing. I've been flying around just even in my room. Just it's pretty fun. But the bad thing about it is I tried to get this SD card slot to work on recording, but it just, here's where you put the SD card. I just can't get it to work. I know Brian tried. He was seeing if I could figure it out, but I think it's just a faulty DVR. Because you'll see in the flight video when I press the record button on the controller, this thing tries to fly off from me. But we'll get to that in just a minute. I just want to show you real quick what's inside. Of course, you got the controller, which takes two AA's back here. That you have to purchase yourself. It doesn't come with it, so you have to get your own AA's. And here's the USB charger plus 4 extra props, so that makes it nice. The little battery here, it's one of those 1.25, it looks like, style JSTs. So this battery is only probably about a 150, I think. So you'll have to order another one, because at least right now it's showing that it's only coming with one battery. So you'll definitely have to order another one, guys. So don't forget, it's the little JST 1.25. All right. Hey, thanks again, Brian from True Drone Reviews. I sure appreciate you sending this out to me. He sent me a few more items. I'll get to that later on when I can actually get outside. The weather's not too well right at the moment, and you guys will be able to check out a few other items that he sent me. I sure appreciate it, Brian from True Drone Reviews. Guys, if you haven't already, check out his channel. I'll leave a link down in the description. He's always got something great going on over there. So, all right, let's get off to the flight. Stay tuned.
Alright guys, we're going to go for a test flight. I just wanted to show you real quick how to go and plug this battery in, because this little JST 1.25 is pretty tiny. You want to plug it in first. Make sure you line up where you see the connectors here will be towards the outside of the drone. And you can go ahead and plug that in, push it in with your nail, then slide the little battery in, and then you're ready to go. Going to turn the controller on, then we're going to bind it up and down, and we just bound the controller to the quadcopter. And I'm going to go ahead and reset the gyros by pressing down bottom corner. There we go. It's recalibrated, and now you can either arm it by going out to the sides. It arms it, and it'll automatically shut down if you don't take off. Or one key takeoff right here. So I'm going to do that. Alright, there we go. It's a really good flyer, you guys. I appreciate it, Brian, for sending this to me. I love these little quadcopters. It's just perfect for indoors. This is going to be rate 1. Here's the yaw. There's the yaw in rate 1. Here's rate 2. And rate 3. So rate 3 is definitely a lot faster. Look for the red light. That means that's the back of the quadcopter. So let's go for a little flight. See, it's pretty zippy. So always remember where you're at. I wanted to show you something real quick. We've been trying to get this thing to record. This is what happens to me when I press the record button. I'm going to hold the button down, and it comes right back to me, and I got to push forward. It's like having a return to home. The record don't work. When you press picture, it flashes like it's recording, but nothing comes out on the SD card. So I think I have a faulty DVR on this, so it's no big problem. This is just a little flyer. I don't expect much from the camera anyways. But here's the 3D flips by pressing in this toggle switch once and then go to the side you want. Press it again, go backwards, and it does a backflip. And we'll go to the right or the left. There's the left. And now forward. Let me do a forward one. There we go. So it does tight little flips. It works great. So I don't have a problem with that. It's working really well. Hopefully we'll get a time on this. I'm going to let it run all the way down until the battery, the LBC comes on. And I'm going to see if it automatically lands when it's completely dead. But it's a good little flyer. I really like this one. So I appreciate it, Brian. Again, I know I keep saying it, but I really like these little flyers. I'm a big Eachine fan, so I'll leave a link in there. You can buy this. It's brand new to the market right now, and it's on banggood.com, so I'll leave a link for it. It'll be an associate's link, so don't be scared to press on it. Sometimes I make a little commission, but it's not much. It's just to help out with my channel to get some products. So anyways, we got LBC coming in, so low battery warning coming on, so it's wanting you to land. Pretty sure I showed you all the functions there. Here's automatic land too if you want. You can press this button and it'll automatically land, or you can press the button to automatically take off. So I'm going to see how long this thing will go. See how long this guy will go while it's flashing before it lands, or I'm going to see if it will crash to the ground. So I hope you guys can see this. It's a pretty small little guy. Altitude hold works pretty good. You can see that the barometer's working. You won't be able to do any 360 flips while these lights are flashing because it's telling you to land. I'm going to keep it low right here. We'll see what kind of flight time we get out of it. Still has power. There it goes. It's going straight up by itself, and then it crashed. So I suggest within 30 seconds or so, I didn't break it, 30 seconds or so when these lights come on, go ahead and land it to be safe. You don't want to run this battery down too far, or you might cause problems or even make the battery go bad. So the only bummer for me is that there was no second battery. So I hope Eachine offers a set where you can buy this with more batteries. I hope they give that option sometime. If not, I'm sure they have a spot there where you can get more batteries. If I find where you can get the batteries on Banggood, I'll go and put a link for spare batteries as well. Another thing is the camera did not work on this one. It could just be this model. The DVR could be bad on it, you know, it could be just because of quality control. They make a lot of these, and sometimes some of them slip through, and you'll get one that's not functioning right. But as in flying, it's perfect. It flies great. I don't even use the cameras on these anyways, but I'm sure you guys will get yours to work. So it's probably just this one. So. All right, Brian, I sure appreciate it, buddy, for sending me this. This is from True Drone Reviews. Check out his channel. I'll leave a link down in the descriptions. Go see what he's doing over there. Don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button for his channel and mine so you can get notifications. Hit that bell. So, all right, guys, like always, I sure appreciate you watching. God bless, cheers, and happy flying.